get them up. Everybody up, love we look, yeah, get them out. YouTube, welcome back to the channel, guys. So by the title and the thumbnail, y'all already know we're gonna put on the M Sport front bumper. So if y'all watched the last couple of vlogs I dropped, y'all would see the picking up of the M Sport front bumper and the rear bumper. But we're not gonna put the rear bumper on today. We're only gonna put the front bumper on. So let's get into the video, man. Guys, so as y'all could see, we're gonna have to take the bolts out. I already take 3 of them out already. We got some aligned like right here and under here. So I'm gonna have to like kind of jack up the car with the jack, and then I'm have to take these out. So let me do all of that real quick, and then I'm gonna pick up at the camera. This shit about to look mean, guys. Also, I need to get like the front lip, front splitter combo. So that's what's gonna go on next. And also those grill, I'm not gonna use them. I'm gonna get some the double slotted black grill, the gloss black. So let me take off the bumper real quick, and then I'm gonna set this up. Okay, so I take all the bolts off the top. So now we're gonna have to take off this part from the fender liner. I think it's gonna be probably a 7 or a 8, and also you got probably a 10 right here by the bumper. And also, if any one of y'all need this front bumper, it's gonna be up for sale. Just hit me up on IG or on YouTube. Let me know if you guys need the bumper. So first I'm gonna take those bolts off, and then I'm gonna pick up at the camera. Okay guys, so now I think everything is off. Let me see, check this side real quick. So everything is off right there so far. Let me double check. All right, so I'm gonna take the bumper off real quick, and then I'm gonna pick up at the camera. And also I think I'm gonna have to transfer the sensors to this new one. So let me take it off real quick and then pick up at the camera. Okay guys, so just like that, the bumper is off. Make sure y'all take your time when y'all taking the bumper off, because you got some fog light wires right there and over here. And also make sure y'all wear safety glasses, because look, I don't know what the fuck was building a nest or something right here, but it's a bunch of leaves and all of that. So make sure y'all wear safety glasses so that no debris would get in your eye or dirt. But yeah, so I'm gonna do a little swap, take out the sensors and everything and put it on that bumper over there, and then I'm gonna pick up at the camera. But that's how it's looking without the bumper. Okay guys, so I take everything off the bumper already. Only thing I'm not gonna use is the mesh piece right here, and I don't think I'm gonna use the fog light, because this one is the OEM bumper, this one is the M Sport. So I don't think the fog light fit this one. But I'm not gonna use the OEM grill. I'm gonna use some different one. I got some on the road, or I should say I'm waiting on some to get delivered. So these OEM grill, I'm not gonna use them. So I'm gonna take these inserts out and transfer it to this bumper over here. And also I already put in the parking sensors. I don't really need these. I just glue them on with some windshield glue, and put the tape on it to like hold it so it could dry right now. So I'm gonna probably try to see if one of the fog light could fit, but I doubt it would fit. And also I think I'm gonna take these reflector off and put it on this one. So let me transfer some more things and then pick up at the camera. Okay guys, so I'm here buttoning up right now. I took out the vent for right here so the car could cool down more faster. So right now I'm over this side. So only thing I had to do right now is just put back this piece and put back all of these screws right here. Other from that, I'm almost finished. So I'm gonna button up this side real quick and then I'm gonna pick up at the camera. Okay guys, so everything is on right now. As I said, I took out the vent from right here. So I'm gonna let down the car real quick. So I let it down. So that's how it's looking. I would say the fitment is very good. I got no complaints, and don't worry about that. That's some glue over the parking sensor, and I also put some glue right here to hold this up. But this shit looking mean, man. Only thing I need right now is just the wrap job and front splitter and the grills, and I should be good. And I buttoned up everything already, put back all the screws, everything on the ear put back, everything connected, all the wires. So that's how it's looking, guys. So that's gonna be the end of the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And peace. Thank you guys for watching. And I'll catch you in the next one, guys. Peace.